was the experience now playing the role of Gerald's mother in the series?
Oh, very nice. I love this guy. Sobrang gaan katrabaho, sobrang professional. Swak lahat. And of course, as I said earlier, no, the guidance of Direct FM, kasi mas marami kaming ano pa ni Direct Eric than Direct Bijoy, pero nagka na rin kami. But every step of the way talagang tutok. So every time we have a scene, before doing that, lahat yun hinihimay-himay namin. Bakit ganun yung eksena, bakit ganun yung naramdaman, bakit ganun yung mangyayari, saan ang galing yung... Lahat yun, lahat talaga we discuss. We discuss all of that. And Gerald has been nothing but wonderful to work with. Very professional and parang anak ko na. Yan, parang anak ko na yan. Very nice.
Thank you, Lot. Gerald, you want to answer that?
No, it's nice to, pag tapos na at retired na ako, yun yung masarap pakinggan is masaya kang katrabaho, mabuti kang tao. At the end of the day, yun ang pinaka-importante. And this team, lahat ng directors and writers and this whole cast, they make me look good. Maniwala ka sa akin. They make me look good. Sila yung dahilan.
And just so you know, guys, lahat nandito ngayon at nanonood sa live stream, Gerald is celebrating his 19th year in show business. Next year will be his 20th.
Binuking mo pa ako.
Ay, wala. Si Shai na. Huwag daw tayo mag-line ng age.
Welcome to the club, brother.
2 decades. Congratulations, Jay, in advance. Ang next na magtatanong ng question ay si Philip Mattel from Rappler. Are you here, Philip?
Good evening. My question po is for Gerald. This is a unique premise na hindi pa possible yung role na to nung nag-uumpisa ka sa showbiz. Sabi na, 19 years ka na.
Oh, 19.
So how challenging is it to fulfill this role this time around, considering na marami ka ng complex characters na ginampanan in the past?
Yeah, super. 19 years ago, kahit siguro 2 years or 3 years ago, feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin itong ganitong ano. And sabi ko kanina, they make me look good. Talagang sila talaga yung dahilan. I just come to set as prepared as possible, pero yung guidance sila, yung guidance si Direct Bijoy, first time to work with him. Tapos si Direct FMR, siya yung madalas kong kasama. I give it all to them. Kasi yung writing is so beautiful, yung storya ang very intelligent at kakaiba. Kaya very proud ako na ipalabas to because we know that we are doing something good. In terms of Samuel Trinidad, yes, aminin ko, isa to sa pinaka-challenging talaga. But at the same time, in 20 days na ba tayo, Direk? This is the most I've ever learned in terms of acting. And that's because of Direct FMR. It's my 19th year sa industriya. Ang tagal nga, but after 19 years pa, Direct. But it's per God's timing talaga. Kasalukuyan, next year will be my 20th anniversary in show business. At kasalukuyan, we're also preparing the next show. And I can only imagine what we'll be able to do and what yung inputs na pwede kong ibigay because of yung natutunan ko dito sa show na to. So, exciting.
Alright, while MJ is preparing for his TV Bat show hosting, I'll take over lang few minutes. Okay, walang sobra. Natutuwa nga ako kasi parang bago to for, not naman bago for FMR. I was so impressed. Hindi ko alam kung magaling lang yung editing pero ang ganda ng mounting ng mga eksena. Direct, prangkahan tayo. Anong inspiration ng FMR at saka Bijoy Balagtas dito? Kilala kita, yung horror mounting mo, parang pa-horror na. Natakot ako dun sa pagka-discover ng death ni Kuya John. Did you apply something else here, FMR? As far as strategy or style is concerned?
I'm overwhelmed kasi unang-una nung na-invite to work in this project. First, it's really my first time to work with Gerald. And as this went on, I told myself, bakit ngayon ko lang siya nakatrabaho? He's very impressive. The dedication and the depth. Ayoko kasi na artistang tamad. Ayoko na artistang hindi nagre-research.
Meron po bang tamad, direct?
Gusto mo bang pangalaman
Charito!
natin?
Charos!
Ready ako.
Huwag kitang simulan sa
Sige na, Direk, para mag-trending tayo. Panurin ang mga tao.
No, and then, when you look at it, yung nakatabi kay Gerald, mga leading ladies na nagkaroon na ng sarili nilang show. Tapos yung mga leading men, I just work with JC, and then you have RK, and then you have Sen. Parang sabi ko, sobrang naman po yatang spoiled kami. They have this cast. Kanina may basher ako dito. Ayun na, yung blonde ng buhok.
Dahil lang naman sa edad.
No, because imagine naman, in the last years, she's been in Cannes Film Festival,
Wow,
exhibiting her
kinaganda.
movies, no? Tapos, binalik niya kanina na yung Marinela, na akong number 1 niyang kaaway kasi, bakit ka nag-lipstick? Mataba nung mo nag-lipstick ka, sabi, hindi po, gagano'n ninyo. Wala nang lipstick. So, yun lagi yung mga stories namin na ganyan. And looking at her now, I mean, her output sobrang impressive, iba yung maturity. Tapos pa, itong si Bitjoy, matagal ko na itong, nakatrabaho ko ito minsan sa isa kong show. Kasi I've been wanting to work with him kasi fan ako nung filmic way of covering the series. Kaya, ayun, parang feeling ko, you have to deliver sa stature na meron silang pare-parehas. Kanina gusto ko sumingit sa sinasabi ni Lotlot eh. You know, she's very professional. During the time we were shooting the show, she lost her mother, she lost her mother-in-law and brother-in-law, and she's with us. That's how professional she is. So, when you look at it, meron ka pang general dito. No? So yun, hindi ka pwedeng hindi mag-deliver pagka ganun kagaling.
Direct tutuloy ko yung mga magagandang sinasabi mo sa cast mo. I know naman you're honest about how you feel and how you know, about your actors. But let me excuse the 3 leads kasi they will, kukunin sila for TV Pat Show. Okay, kunin mo na PJ. Tulad nito na recurring lang na bumabalik pero wow, bakit mo tinanggap ang Sins of the Father? Nagbibida ka na sa laundry, linen, linen pala, sorry. Mga ganon, inaral ka na, box office.
Bukod sa magagalit sa akin si Tita Cory. No, I believe kasi from the very beginning, there's a saying in not really in theater, I think sa industry din, that there is no small actor, but there is no small roles, but there is there are no small roles, only small actors.
Yeah.
Okay, so kaya maiksi yan o hindi, you have to give 100% of what you can do as an actor. So pareho din yung process ko, kahit maiksi yan, yung character building, yung pag-study ng character, pareho rin yun kasi yung significance kasi ng role mo kahit maiksi yan, especially this one, sa kanya nanggaling kasi yung sense, yung pinaka-seed ng scene. So, definitely kailangan mag-mark ka doon sa...
Markado, general.
Doon sa kwento.
I know.
So, nung makita ko pa lang siya sa script, sabi ko, napaka-importante, napaka-pivotal at the same time, kahit towards the end of the story, siya din yung babalikan mo eh. Kahit magkaroon ng resolution yung main character. So, hindi ko siya makitang isang simpleng cameo lang or although willing din akong gumawa ng mga cameo, mga short, really short characters or roles. Pero this one, hindi ko siya nakikitang simpleng cameo lang kasi yung kanyang significance madadala hanggang sa resolution ng story hanggang sa ending.
Congrats again. Galing, sobrang galing.
Yeah, thank you.
Babalikan kita, Generala. Islot, kanina mention na, na-refresh yung mind ko na yun pala yung time na you lost your mom-in-law, and your brother-in-law. So, how was sorry hindi ako nakarating. How is the grieving up to now? Are you still... Do you still grieve about it? Tapos may trabahong sumasabay.
Yeah. Syempre, it's only been a couple of months, so yeah. But I'm actually very grateful for the show. I'm grateful for the people that I'm working with my directors, with my producers on the set, the production staff, the crew. That they were very understanding also, and I felt that they were also very sympathetic to me. So I'm thankful kasi syempre this is also kumbaga minsan ito yung dito ko na lang nalalabas lahat ng kailangan nilabas. Yeah, I'm grateful for JRB for having me for this.
I think that's one good thing for actors, no? Somehow yung nangyayari sa iyo, actually nagagamit mo doon sa trabaho mo bilang isang actor. So, nagiging somehow catharsis siya doon sa mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay.
In your case yan, Kuya John.
I think
Most.
I don't know, but I think mostly you encapsulate all your pains, your experiences into parang a form of art, and that is acting. I don't know if I'm just speaking for myself.
Before I give the microphone to Alan Sancon for his set of questions, Jace, naiintriga ako sa role mo. Anong ibibigay mo?
Ako din. Very intriguing, no?
I know, sunod-sunuran to... Sorry, Daddy? Joffa, Daddy?
No. He's my brother.
Did you
Older brother.
Was it revealed kanina?
Hindi. But do you want me to...
No, don't.
tell
Please,
us?
baka not. It's scolded, my God. Ang galing.
Yes, thank you.
Meron to
Thank you.
eh.
I really wanted to do a role na ganito, and then it's an answered prayer.
Wow,
Kasi
ganun kaganda ha?
Yeah,
You
kasi
prayed about it.
Yes. Kasi ever since I told Direct FM also that I wanted to do a character like this na alam mo yun, offbeat, kasi for the longest time I've been doing alam mo yun, parang leading man stuff.
Correct, oo.
Diba? So I think this is a wonderful opportunity to me na alam mo yun, to do something like this para rin ma-show parang an opportunity for me to showcase my versatility again as an actor, na hindi lang tayo pang dun sa lead nga, and at the same time I can do something like this. And then I want to personally thank JRB and then our directors for...
She really takes care of you.
Yeah. Pinakakatiwalaan nila ako, and alam nila yung kakayahan ko na gumawa ng mga ganito. And then I'm sure the viewers will be excited also kasi I'll bring a different flavor sa table.
Nakaka-intriga.
And then alam mo yan, nag-prepare talaga ako para dito. And na-excite ako kasi knowing that I'll be working again with Gerald. Kasi nagkatrabaho na kami before, but hindi kami magkalaban kasi. But this time, enemies kami dito. So, alam ko na yung uupuan ko na posisyon very hard and very challenging. Kasi nga si Gerald yung palagi ko makaka-eksena dito. Kaya, kailangan nilang abangan. It's challenging, but it's beautiful to watch. And then the dynamics that we have here, yung pagkakatimpla ng mga directors namin dun sa mga characters, it was beautifully done.
Thank you, Jace. Direct Video, sorry ha. Alam ko gumawa ka na before ng mga